For months, we've been talking about a tridemic, RSV, COVID, and flu all hitting at once. But tonight we're focusing on the flu, and here's why. Look at the latest numbers from the Allegheny County Health Department. More than 8,000 flu cases just this season, and it's only early December. Compare that with the last 3 years, and look, and you can see the dramatic difference. Now, we know masking and social distancing did help keep some of those numbers low the last couple years, but with such high numbers this year, we went in search of guidance from a local doctor.
Number of cases is skyrocketing.
It's been a viral storm, and the flu has been blowing through Pittsburgh and the rest of the country with numbers we haven't seen in years.
So what we're seeing is just an astronomical number of flu cases compared to what we normally see. The numbers are just skyrocketing. It has all of us worried about what that's going to bring for the winter.
Fortunately, local doctors aren't seeing the rate of hospitalizations or deaths to match that, but they're worried it may just be a matter of time. They say one thing that may be driving the numbers is that they're doing more flu testing.
People are testing COVID at home. It's negative, so we know to get the flu test instead. So there is probably a little bit of bias with just the number of tests that we're doing, but it gives us a more accurate representation that we haven't had in years prior about just how much flu is circulating in Allegheny County alone.
Experts say the good news is this year's flu vaccine is effective on the strains that are going around. The bad news, fewer people actually got the shot.
With all the vaccinations that we've been giving, especially with COVID and then the boosters, some people have been more reluctant to get their flu shots this year.
The typical flu season is January through March, and people usually get their flu shots October through December. So if you haven't gotten one yet, time is of the essence.
It's so important this year that people think about getting their flu shots now, not waiting until your next doctor's appointment or not waiting until it's convenient.
And to prevent getting sick in the first place, some health experts are actually urging people to mask up again. The CDC is advising people in parts of New York City to wear their masks again. So what about here in our area?
If you're going to be in a crowd of people you don't know, if you're going to be out doing your holiday shopping, if you have any condition will put you at high risk, consider wearing your mask. It will give you that little extra protection that may help keep you safe this year.
Kristine Sorensen, KDKA News.